Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it for the daily videos. Calcium gluconate or calcinate. Common adult dose hypocalcemia 7 to 14 MEq, hypocalcemic tetany 4.5 to 16 MEq, hyperkalemia with cardiac toxicity 2.25 to 14 MEq, hypermagnesemia 7 MEq. Common pediatric dose hypocalcemia 1 to 7 MEq, hypocalcemic tetany 0.5 to 0.7 MEq 3 to 4 times per day. Solution amount 1000 ml. Compatible solutions dextrose 0.9% NaCl, dextrose in 0.9% NaCl, ringer lactate D10, D20, D5 in ringer lactate. IV push yes. IV push rate do not exceed 1.5 to 2 ml per minute. IVPB yes. IVPB rate do not exceed rate 200 mg per minute over 12 to 24 hours. Caspofungin or Cansidas. Common adult dose 70 mg initially followed by 50 mg daily. Common child dose not available. Reconstitution add 10.5 ml of 0.9% NaCl or bacteriostatic water to the 70 mg or 50 mg vial. Solution amount 250 ml or 100 ml if medically necessary. Compatible solutions 0.225% NaCl, 0.45% NaCl, 0.9% NaCl, ringer lactate. IV push no. IV PB yes. IV infusion time 1 hour. Special considerations: white cake should dissolve completely when reconstituting. Mix gently until solution is clear. Refrigerated solutions must be used within 24 hours. Room temperature solutions must be used within 1 hour. Cefazolin or Ansef. Common adult dose 250 mg to 1.5 gram every 6 to 8 hours. Common child dose 6.25 mg to 25 mg per kg every 6 hours or 8.3 mg to 33.3 mg per kg every 8 hours. Solution amount 50 to 100 ml. Compatible solution dextrose D5 in 0.45% NaCl, D5 in 0.9% NaCl, D10, D5 in 0.25% NaCl, 0.9% NaCl, ringer lactate, D5 in ringer lactate. IV push no. IV PB yes. IV infusion time 30 to 60 minutes. Cefepime or Maxipime. Common adult dose 0.5 mg to 1 gram every 12 hours. Common child dose 50 mg per kg every 8 to 12 hours. Reconstitution not specified. Solution amount 50 to 100 ml. Compatible solutions dextrose D10, D5 in 0.9% NaCl, 0.9% NaCl, D5 in ringer lactate, D5 in normosol R or D5 in normosol M, M in 6 sodium lactate injection. IV push no. IV PB yes. IV infusion time 30 minutes. Special considerations: stable for 24 hours at room temperature and 7 days if refrigerated cefmetazole. Zefazone. Common adult dose 2 gram every 6 to 12 hours. Solution amount 50 to 100 ml. Compatible solution dextrose 0.9% NaCl, ringer lactate 68. IV push no. IV PB yes. IV infusion time 10 to 60 minutes. Special consideration: stable for 24 hours at room temperature. Cefonicid or Monosid. Common adult dose 0.5 to 2 gram every 24 hours. Solution amount 50 to 100 ml. Compatible solutions dextrose D10, D5 in 0.25% NaCl, D5 in 0.45% NaCl, D5 in 0.9% NaCl, 0.9% NaCl, ringer lactate, D5 in ringer lactate. IV push no. IV PB yes. IV infusion time 20 to 30 minutes. Special considerations: reconstituted solution may be colorless to slightly amber. Solution is stable at room temperature for 24 hours and 72 hours if refrigerated. Cefoperazone or Cefobid. Common adult dose 1 to 6 gram every 12 hours. Reconstitution: reconstitute each gram with at least 2.8 ml of sterile bacteriostatic water or saline or 0.9% NaCl. Shake vigorously and allow to stand until visually clear. Solution amount: further dilute in 20 to 40 ml. Compatible solutions: dextrose D10, D5 in 0.25% NaCl, D5 in 0.9% NaCl, 0.9% NaCl, Ringer lactate, D5 in Ringer lactate. IV push? No. IV PB? Yes. IV infusion time 15 to 30 minutes. Special considerations: for continuous infusion solutions should have a concentration of 2 to 25 mg per ml. Thank you. Have a nice day.